Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be featuring Turboprop Flight Simulator, and which I will be showing you how to land in TFS VTOL. So first things first, get your destination and get your wings in the correct position. Keep on giving it thrust until it starts to go down smoothly as possible. Yes. Cut. Then deploy auto brakes. It's that simple. So, if you ever wondered how to land the VTOL in TFS, now you can do that. This is Mustafa signing off until the next